Hi everyone, welcome to AB and Dini.
So we have finally received our Tomorrowland bracelet.
Going to Tomorrowland has been one of my top bucket list items for a long time.
And we are attending the festival this year in Boom, Belgium.
We are staying in Dreamville in two one-person tents. And that was the only ticket which was available for us to book, and luckily we got the ticket. If you want to know more about the ticket booking process, you can let us know in the comment, and we can make a video about that. We are very excited to unbox this package, and you can see like this comes in a very good cardboard box, and it is well packaged. It arrived in local post. So now Niharika will unbox it, and I will go behind the screens.
So I'm going to use my fork scissor. Wow. So it's a treasure box. So it's Tomorrowland, Belgium. Written here. And this is the treasure.
Hi guys, I am going to unbox the treasure chest. Okay, and this is the Orbyz, the theme of Tomorrowland this year. And here is the bracelet. So now I am going to open it. It's here, and this is the bracelet. It looks lovely. Here is this. It has the Tomorrowland symbol, and this is an NFC chip, and this is used for making all the payments in Tomorrowland, and it's written MG. It is for magnificent green. So now let me wear it. Okay, yes, finally I have the bracelet on my hand. Feeling so excited. We have the treasure chest, and we are also wearing our Tomorrowland bracelets, so can't wait to go for the event.
If you have been to Tomorrowland Festival, we would like to know your experience. Please comment in the video below.
We are planning to do a Tomorrowland vlog.
So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching the video, and see you in Tomorrowland.